Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Nanmaji Vidyapeeth channel. So, students, today we'll start worksheet number 6, unit number 2nd, division with the remainder. Division with the remainder. So, in the all the division questions we have does not far. So far, we see that the in a last subtraction always result in a zero. अभी तक हमने जो डिविजन्स किए उसमें क्या हुआ है कि जो भी हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हुए हमें जो आंसर मिला है द रिजल्ट है वो ज़ीरो मिला है. ठीक है. सो हाउएवर दिस इज़ नॉट द केस एवरी टाइम. हर बार ऐसे नहीं होता है कि ज़ीरो ही मिले. समटाइम देर आर द नंबर्स लेफ्ट ओवर दिस आर कॉल द रिमाइंडर. अभी जो नंबर्स है वो रिमेन रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिमाइंडर. लेट्स सी विथ एन एग्जाम्पल. सो हियर इज अ वन एग्जाम्पल. 1579 divided by 14 is there. Okay, so a reminder tells us that divided cannot be completed divide by the divisor, so as can the represented as a quotients. So in that, divided number is equal to divisor into quotients plus remainder, so we'll get the divided number. So let's see. First of all, we have to find the divisor. So here your divisor is a 14. Divided number is a 1579. 14 ones are 14. 5 minus 4. 1 is there. 1 minus 1 0. Will bringing down 7. 14 ones are 14. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4 3 is there. 1 minus 1 0. Then we'll bringing down here 9. So next number is a 39. 14 2s are 28. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 1 1. So here remainder is the 11. Remainder is a 11 and quotient is equal to 112. Quotient is equal to 112. Now students, we have to write like that. Divisor number 14 into quotient 112 plus 11, so we will get the answer 1579. So a remainder is always less than the divisor. Remainder है वो divisor से कम ही होगा. ठीक है. Now I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to write this in your math notebook. Then we'll start next sum. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start to solve the following in your notebook and write the divisor questions as well. So we'll start the. Okay students, so now we'll start. First one sum. 5659 divided by 62 is it. 5659 divided by 62 is it. So in that case students, first of all we have to find the divisor. So that number is a 62. Divided number is equal to 5659 is it. So now we'll start the divisor here. 5659 divided by 60. Divided by 62 is it. Divided by 62 is it. So here we have to do some rough work here. So students, here is a 62 is a divisor number. So first of all we have to find find the nearest 10. Okay, so nearest 10, that means we have to find, here is a 60, so 16 multiply, we have to do 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 6 twos are 80, 118, 16 threes are. So how we'll do the 16 threes are? So 6 threes are 6 threes are 80. So here we have to write 180. 16 fours are 6 fours are 24. So here we have to write 214. 16 fives are 6 fives are 30. Here we have to write 300. 16 six are 6 6 are 36. So here we have to write 630. 16 sevens are 42. We have to write here 420. 16 eights are 48. So we have to write 480. 16 nines are 54. 16 nines are 54. Now see, here we have to take the 3-digit number. Here we have to take the 3-digit number 565. So this number is a 540. So we'll multiply with the 62 nines are 62 nines are 9 twos are 80. 1 is a carry over. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 1 55. So our answer is 558. 62 nines are 558 is there. 52 nines are 568 is there. Now 5 minus 8 is not possible. We'll cut 6, write there 5. Cut 5, write here 15. 15 minus 8, 15 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We'll cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to write 7. Here we have to write 7. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Now we'll bringing down students 9. So our next number is a 79 is there. Now 79 our next number. So now look at here. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 120 is there. 120 is there. So 120 is a bigger number than the 179. So we'll take the smaller number. 16 ones are 16. So we'll write here 62 ones are 62. 62 ones are 62. So 9 minus 2. 9 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We'll cut to 1 and 2. So remain number is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have to write here 7. 7 minus 6. 7 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We'll cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remain number is here 1. So we have to write here 1. So our answer, we have to write the answer like that. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here 5659 is equal to 62 into 91 plus 70. This one is the answer. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. So students, our next sum is V1 sum. Portion is 9230 divided by 25 is. So first of all we have to find the divisor number. So in this question, divisor is equal to divisor is equal to 25 and dividend number is equal to 9230. So we'll start the sum here. 9230 divided by 25. Divide by 25 is. So in this sum, students, first of all we have to find the nearest 10. We have to find the nearest 10. So here we have to write here, we have find the nearest 10 of 25. So nearest 10 is a 30. Nearest 10 is a 30 is equal to 30. So we have to write here 30. Now we'll start the division. Now look it here. 25 divided by 9230. So we'll take here 2-digit number. So next our first starting number is a 92 is a starting number is a 92 is there. 92 is there. So let's start this sum. 25 ones are, so हमें 25 का tables नहीं आता है. So here we have to multiply with the 13 ones are 30, 32s are 3 2s are 6. So we have to write here 6 0 as it is. 13 3s are 3 3s are 9. So we have to write here 9 0 as it is. Okay. 13 4s are 4 3s are 12. So here we have to write 12. This 0 we have to put here as it is. So 13 4s are 120. Our starting number is a 92. So 20 is a bigger number than the 120 is a bigger number than the 92. So we'll take the 13 3s are 19. 13 3s are 19. So 25. Here we have to multiply with the 25 3s are 25 3s are. Look it here. 3 5s are 15. 1 is a carryover. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. and 25 fours are 5 fours are 20, right here 2, 2 is a carryover, 5 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 2 10. So answer is 100. 100 is a bigger number than the 92, so we'll take 75. 25 threes are 75. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we'll cut here 9, right here 8, cut 2, right here 12. 12 minus 5, 12 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining number is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we have to write 7. 8 minus 7, 8 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cut and 8. Cut 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So remaining number is here 1. So we have to write 1. Now 17 is a smaller number than 25, so we'll bring down here 3. Our next number is a 173. So now 13 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15. So here we have to write 15, 0 as it is. 13 6 are 80. Here we have to write 80. So students, now we'll take 25 6 are 6 5s are 30. We have to write here 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 15. So 16, 25 25 6 are 150. 3 0 minus 3 3 as it is. 7 minus 5 7 minus 5 7 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, cut 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So remain number is a 1 and 2, so we have to write here 2. 1 minus 1 0. Next number is a 23. We'll bringing down here 0. Division is not possible, so here 230. 13 sevens are 21. 210. 13 8s are 8 2s are 24. So 240. 13 9s are 27. 13 9s are 27. 270. So we'll take here 25 into 9. 25 into 9. 9 5s are 45. We have to write here 5. 4 is a carryover. 9 2s are 80. 80 plus 2. 80, then 90, 20, 21 and 20. 2 is there. So here is a 220. 5 is there. 225 is there. So 25 9s are 225. 9 minus 5 is 0 minus 9 is not, 5 is not possible. Cut 2, cut 3, right here 2, cut 0, right here 10. 10 minus 5, 10 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Cut 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So remain number is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have to write here 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So here this one is a remainder. This is a remainder, and this one is a portion. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. Okay students, so I hope your work is complete. Now today we are completed sum number A and B. Now your homework is you have to complete sum number C, D, E, F and G. 4 sums you have to write in your homework. That sums you have to complete it and send it to me in a WhatsApp group before 1:30. Before 1:30 you have to complete your homework and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete and you all are understand the method how will do the long division method with the remainder. So this sums you have to write in your maths notebook, and all the sums you have to write in your maths notebook, because of here is a no any place, that's the reason. So I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day. You have to send the homework on time.